Can you actually learn to be more likable? According to Patrick King, it's a science.
We think charm is just this magical thing, right? But what if it's really a formula? Forget luck. The book says likability isn't random. It's a science with predictable triggers.
See, our brains are wired for connection. We're going to unlock 3 surprising strategies to use that.
All right, strategy 1. To win someone over, you actually do the opposite of what you'd expect.
Yeah, this sounds totally backward. You ask them for a favor and they end up liking you more. Their brain gets confused. To make sense of it, it decides, hey, I must actually like this person. So here's how you do it. 3 easy steps. And trust me, the key is to keep it small. Seriously, something as tiny as "can you pass me that" is enough to start the magic. Okay, on to strategy number 2. We're told to be perfect, but science says flaws are your secret weapon. It's called the Pratfall Effect. If you're seen as competent, a small slip-up actually makes you more human. It's not about being weak. Showing vulnerability actually signals confidence. It just makes you relatable. So yeah, spilling a bit of coffee or stumbling over a word, that can instantly make people warm up to you. And now for our last strategy, the most subtle one yet, how to build bonds without even speaking. You know Pavlov's dog, right? Well, our brains are always making those kinds of connections. So you can be the source of good vibes, or just show up when good things are already happening. It boils down to this. People like what's familiar. So sometimes the best thing to do is just be there. The more people see you, the more they trust you on a gut level. No deep conversation necessary. So let's pull it all together. You now have a powerful, counterintuitive toolkit for connection. And look, these aren't manipulative tricks. They work because they tap into real human psychology. So being likable isn't about being fake. It's about understanding the science of what makes us, well, human.